Wonder about the journey of pomegranate from the tree to your table? What makes this vibrant ruby red fruit so special? Well, there's more to it than meets the eye. Pomegranates, with their tough outer skin and juicy seeds, are a treasure trove of health benefits. These fruits are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making them an excellent choice for both culinary and skincare use. The antioxidants helps to fight off free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the body. Vitamins and minerals, on the other hand, contribute to overall health, supporting everything from heart health to skin glow. But the benefits of pomegranate extend beyond personal health. They are contributing to economic health, particularly in regions like Rajasthan in India. Here, pomegranate cultivation is on the rise, with regions such as Jalore, Sirohi, Ajmer, and Jodhpur leading the cultivation way, including the Badmer. The cultivation process begins with choosing the right variety of pomegranate. The most popular ones are Bhagwa, Adakta, and Garnish, known for their sweet taste and bright red color. The next step to prepare the land. The pomegranate prefers sandy to loamy soil with good drainage. Once the land is ready, the sapling is planted and nurtured with proper irrigation care. Favorable climate and soil conditions in Rajasthan makes it an ideal place for pomegranate orchards. The arid and semi-arid climate, combined with the available irrigation facilities, have led farmers to diversify their agricultural practices and turn to pomegranate cultivation. This shift has proven to beneficial for many farmers in the region, providing them an alternative source of income and the result a thriving industry that not only delivers delicious, nutrient-rich foods to your table but also creates economic opportunity for the local community. So, to sum it up all, pomegranates are powerhouse of health benefits packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Their cultivation, particularly in regions like Rajasthan, contributes to economic growth and provides farmers with an alternative source of income. And the journey of promise from the tree to your table, it's a testament to the hard work and dedication of farmers who cultivates this wonderful fruit. Whether you are savoring its taste in a cooler dish, enjoying it in a juice, or reaping its benefits in a skincare product, remember the journey it's taken to reach you. So next time, when you crack open a pomegranate, take a second to appreciate this journey from the orchards of Rajasthan to your table and savor not just its taste but its story too. So here comes an exclusive pomegranate from Garden Fresh Badmer for you to experience the ruby rose juicy pomegranate. So exclusive, pomegranate, Garden Fresh pomegranate from Rajasthan, Vidamani. So thank you. I really appreciate Hemen Chaudhary ji. So here हम इसको निकालेंगे. Wow, this is a pure garden fresh. Nice, wonderful, wonderful. This is a beautiful garden fresh pomegranate. आप देख रहे हो. I really love the pomegranate. This is the season of pomegranate. So Rajasthan, padaro maro des re padaro. Item that is pomegranate. So pomegranate also is a spice. It is also is a fruit. It also medicinal value. So see the color of this pomegranate exclusively from the Garden Fresh pomegranate. Garden Fresh pomegranate आपके लिए सीधा घर तक पहुंचे आज. थैंक यू हेमंत चौधरी जी. मैं आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हूँ इस सरप्राइज के लिए. आई रियली लव द वे the garden fresh pomegranates are growing in Rajasthan, and this is how it looks. Garden fresh pomegranate. Thank you.